No, Michelle, we'd love for this to be a quick hitter and get out of here and people can enjoy a nice cooler weekend. Is that looking like what's going to happen?
Well, we've got severe thunderstorms for you right now, and the weekend does cool down. We'll get to that in a moment. You can see the scattered showers and thunderstorms blowing up right over the Triad right now. It is noisy out there. We've got frequent lightning, heavy rain, and the risk of some damaging winds. And you're starting to see a little bit of rotation with some of these thunderstorm cells, so we're watching for that here from eastern parts of Davie County and into parts of Davidson County. As we watch that line, it's going to continue to blow up through areas of Yanceyville as we go around 421, anticipating that 20-mile-an-hour movement with those storms there impacting folks as we go through the Triad, Lexington, Greensboro, and Archdale next on the list, likely a little later at about 5 o'clock for folks on the southern edge. This storm cell looks to be moving between 5 to 10 miles an hour, so folks in Midway, Currytown, Welcome, Reeds Crossroads, and Tyrol all impacted by that. Your severe thunderstorm threats for your Friday afternoon and evening: heavy rain, ponding, flash flooding, lightning, and some damaging winds. Still a risk in this mix for severe weather. We've got temperatures at 81 degrees right now in Kernersville. If you are in a warned area, and that includes many counties, including areas of Rockingham County, Caswell County, parts of northern Davidson, southern Forsyth, and eastern Davie, I do want you to seek shelter at this time and move to the interior of your home because we could have some limbs coming down with these storms. Straight line winds are what we're likely going to see with this, which means winds coming out of those thunderstorm gusts and dropping down at the surface, and that means that we could take down some trees and some power lines. We've got some flash flooding concerns too for folks up in the Grayson County area and near the Galax region along 221. First though, a tree down along 421 near mile marker 244. This is in Louisville. Your flash flood warning report coming in earlier at 3:15. About 6 inches of water flowing across the Webster Street in front of Twin County Tire. This is in the city of Galax, and so flash flooding developing. 6 inches of water, that's a lot. Doesn't take much to sweep people off their feet when we talk about those conditions. So a reminder, please turn around, do not drown. You want to make sure you're never driving through flooded roadways. Even if you have a big vehicle and you can think you can get through there, it is dangerous. And we've got 52 seeing those heavy downpours, anywhere from about 7/10 of an inch of rain on those eastern edges of the greens and yellows, though some 1 to 2 inches now falling from those thunderstorms and some localized higher amounts. So we've got our front down to the south. We also have that trough, that area of lower pressure of the surface that's helping to trigger those storms. With that, we have a flood watch in effect for folks in the foothills and mountains until about midnight. Now, Piedmont Triad, 65 tomorrow morning. You're going to have some patchy fog, lingering heavy clouds. So yes, we do cool down. Our temperatures in the upper 70s, and a few folks may stay in the low to mid 70s as we see those clouds just stretch out through the afternoon. But we do expect to see those clouds begin to scour. Winds are out of the northeast at 8 to 12 miles an hour. 66 in the foothills, highs at 74 there in the foothills with periods of patchy rain and some heavy rain. Some afternoon thunderstorms may be in the mix too, but mainly just showers. 68 degrees for you in the mountains for highs tomorrow. A much cooler day, temperatures dropping some 10 to 20 degrees from where we've been, and less humid air is on the way too, especially for Sunday. You're going to notice the feel in the air is a bit more comfortable, and then we'll get you back into those 60s at times through next week, and so up and down, but overall out of the 70s for dew points, so not quite in that miserable range. Here's that forecast for the mountains over the next 4 days. We've got temperatures in the 60s, shower chances, then some sunshine and clouds on Sunday, and isolated storms back over the mountains on Sunday, a possibility. Most folks though still trying to dry out and clear out. We've got 76 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds in the foothills. Rain chances at 40% again by Tuesday, so we ramp back into the stormy afternoon pattern that we would expect to see this time of the year in August for summer. But the Piedmont Triad, your patchy shower should be a little less later in the day, and you've got highs only in the mid and upper 70s to near 78 on Sunday. By Monday, should see upper 70s to low 80s, so this is a nice trend of milder high temperatures. We'll take it. We're also monitoring the wildfire smoke. You're going to start to see some of this moving back through down to the south and east. For now, though, it is to our west as we watch that system. And of course, today's highs and those 80s for a lot of folks out at the Wyndham Championship. Cloudy and some patchy showers tomorrow. Here's a 7-day forecast, folks. Your 7-day stretches out with 81 Monday, 78 on Tuesday, and rain chances returning again for next Wednesday with a few thunderstorms possible, and warmer by the end of next week. Back into the 80s, a little closer to normal.